In today's video, we are diving into allocating access permissions for BI Builder. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to assign roles, managing permissions, and ensure the right team members have access to the right dashboards. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's jump into today's topic. So configure access permissions of a BI Builder. BA Builder lets you create and view analytical dashboards, but not everyone need to full access. So set up roles to control who can view and create or edit dashboards. Check access availability, ensure BA Builder access permissions are available in the Bitrix plan. Set up roles and the permissions. Just you go to BA Builder, click the settings and click the access permissions. Choose a standard roles or create a custom one. The standard roles are administrator, manages BA builder settings and access, analytics, creates and edits dashboards, analyst, user. It's nothing but view dashboards but cannot edit. So if you want to create custom roles, click the create role, name it and add employees. The role is testing and add the employees. You can, if you want to add the employees, you can select the employees for the role. Use toggle switches to assign permissions for. It's nothing but viewing BA builder pages, creating and editing dashboards, managing access permissions. It's nothing but editing settings like date ranges and notifications. Dashboard access controls allows user to view, copy, edit or delete dashboards. Grant access to all dashboards or specific one. So finally check, ensure employees see only what they need, nothing more. Assign roles, set permissions and control dashboards access in BA Builder for better security and efficiency. BA Builder, create dashboard permissions, create and edit dashboard tags, edit settings, dashboard view, copy, edit, delete and export. You want, if you want give the permissions, you can do it as per the role section and save it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Got any thoughts or questions about setting up access permission BA Builder? Drop them in the comments below. I will be sure to get back to you. Catch you in the next one where we will continue exploring the best tools to optimize your workflow. Thank you.